Jabba the Hutt. Boba Fett ship. Boba Fett.
How does it
Boba
work?
Fett's in a ship.
How does it work?
It works like
The
this.
Odin.
And show who's in there. Who's in there?
Boba Fett.
How do you put him in? You want to show how you put him in?
You put him in like that. You put him in, you look at it, and then you put him in.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Who gave that to you?
Scott Tsunami.
Wow. What do you say to that, Scott?
Thank you.
That's really nice. And you know what? I think these used to be his daughter Zoe's. And
Who's
so
Zoe?
Zoe's a girl. She's 11 years old.
Star Wars?
She did. She really loved it. Now she's getting more interested in other stuff, I think.
Look at that, Daddy, and it holds his jetpack. Something in the back holds his jetpack when it goes backwards.
And then right here we have Trilby and Daddy. What do you think,
Jabba
Trilby?
the Hutt.
Yeah, Trilby's done pretty good. She likes to drink milk in the morning and Sheebies. Can you show the camera Sheebies? There, that's right there. Okay. You can put him back down. Is there any last things you want to say? Oh, show Jabba the Hutt. Where's Jabba the Hutt? Show how his tail moves. Who is Jabba the Hutt?
He's a Hutt.
And what does he do?
He's mean.
He's mean.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you. That's awesome. Bye.